welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 different hairstyles that you can do with large knotless braids, and you can do all of these in under 5 minutes. So yeah, let's get to it. So that is it for this video. There are so many different styles that you can do. I do have a limited selection because I do have the large knotless braid. I have had these knotless braids for about I want to say 2 months now. They still look decent. I mean, I'm ready to get rid of them because I'm missing my curly hair. I will be doing a next video about taking these braids out. I know I said in the last video that this video was going to be that video, but yeah, so the next video will be me taking out my braids and washing my natural hair, and you guys can see the growth. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I still want to thank you all for supporting me. Those of you that know me know that I am really shy, so me making these videos is me coming out of my comfort zone, and I hope everyone sticks with me because I am trying. As I am recording and uploading new videos, I am getting a lot more used to this, which is expected, but I hope everyone has a blessed and wonderful rest of their day, and I will see you next time.